Schaumburg, Illinois. This is a pivotal interactive event to kickstart the movement to politically empower American Hindus and other Sanatanis, including Buddhists, Sikhs, and Jains. Chicago chapter launch of Americans for Hindus held at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois. This is a pivotal interactive event to kickstart the movement to politically empower American Hindus and other Sanatanis, including Buddhists, Sikhs, and Jains. Entrepreneur, leading expert. The Chicago chapter launch of Americans for Hindus was held at National India Hub in Schaumburg, Illinois. Americans for Hindus is a bipartisan super PAC to promote the contribution of Hindus in American politics. Hindus in America have been successful in IT, business, medicine, etc., but lack participation in American politics. The organization aims to change that by advocating for Hindu interests and encouraging Hindus to actively participate in democracy. The founder and chairman Dr. Ramesh Japra spoke on political empowerment for Hindus in America and worldwide during this program. The event, designed as an interactive gathering, served as the first step in mobilizing these communities to play a more active role in American politics. The launch event brought together a diverse group of community members and leaders who are eager to see increased Hindu representation in local, state, and national politics. The discussions revolved around the importance of civic engagement, the need to amplify Hindu voices in policy making, and strategies to build a strong political network for the community.
देवानां भद्रासुमतिर्रजूयतां देवा न आयुः प्रतिहन्तु जीवसे. Right from the school boards all the way to the President of the United States of America, we need our representations of Hindu Americans, Indian Americans. We have done so well in IT, in medicine, in research, in businesses, every whichever field. We claim that we are number one earners, and we have the least divorce rate, we have the most peaceful people, most non-violent. But when it comes to politics, like you said, we are almost zero. Even these 6 people or 7 people, all of them are not on board with us. They do not really take care of our causes, our concerns, our issues. So we need to make sure that we develop these leaders who are Hindus or pro-Hindus, and we support them, we endorse them, we take care of their campaign, and make sure that their DNA is really, really good. When they get up there, when they get into the position of the policymakers, they take care of our community. They take care of our ideology, our philosophy, which is really, really lacking. So, like you mentioned, we all need to get united. And there are a lot of organizations who are doing at different levels, at the religious level, spiritual level, cultural level, social level, even economic level. But hardly any which is doing at a political level. Unless you can do political empowerment, all these other things will melt away, they'll get dismantled. There are so many evil forces who are ready to dismantle us. So let's be on the table, not on the menu.
Everyone realized today that what is the need of A for that. A stands for American and H for Hindus. So all we Hindus also Americans and Jewish, Buddhist and Jainis, all are Hindus, all are Americans, and everyone supports the Hindus. So we need some organization, politically empowered organization, who can take up the Hindu issue at the federal level, state level, and local level, and then we can win. Otherwise, we cannot win. So if we donate to the congressman individually, it will help you just to personally they will help, but they will not do anything for the Hindu community. So as far as community is concerned, we need to unite and generate the money and give them whenever we need, and to the pro-Hindu congressman or senators, not any other one.
I am with American for Hindus since it formed. Dr. Japra ji in Bay Area, working with him in FIA organization since many years. So we are all inspired with Dr. Lee and supporting. And when he explained about this mission for A4H, we are all doing everything we can to educate people that why it is important to be part of A4H, so that we select the politicians who can support our community. Because in California, when the caste system initiation started, I was part of a meeting where we were begging people that, hey, we don't want to differentiate our kids with caste system.
Absolutely, it has not been there. Our kids
Exactly,
don't
it's
even
never
know about
there.
it.
So why you're getting now and why you're dividing us within the community? We are already facing so much issues in India because of caste system. Why we are bringing that here when it is not even relevant? That's where the A4H gave birth. That's where we got it. That if we don't act now, nobody is going to help us tomorrow. So we have to stand up for ourselves, for our younger generations to realize that we are all one. Please don't divide us among ourselves. So that's the motto. Our goal is that we expand it to all 40 cities, big cities in United States, covering every corner. And the goal is by next year, we need to have our representative politicians in every place who support Hindu community.
Americans for Hindus urges political leaders to enact policies that protect and support a strong and thriving American Hindus community while fostering a lasting mutually beneficial relationship with India. It encourages Hindus to gain citizenship, register to vote, and get out to vote to be counted. It also aims to increase youth participation in the political process. It also helped establish the Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, and Jain Congressional Caucus.